Hey, before we get started on today's amazing recipe, I wanted to tell you about Vegas Buzz on YouTube, my newest channel. If you like the history of Vegas, the mobsters, the pioneers that built the town, give it a look. All right, everybody, let's get started on this amazing dish. I've got 1.5 pounds of pork belly that I got from my butcher at my local grocery store. And we're just going to take our chef's knife there and we're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. You may say they look a little big, but trust me, they're going to shrink down and be perfect bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to put them into our Dutch oven. Turn the heat on medium. And we're going to start to brown this pork. Once we get some color on it like that, we're going to add our ingredients. All right, let's get started. First thing we're going to need is 4 diced up cloves of garlic. You know my garlic trick. That's what I like to do. Dice them, put them in an ice tray, freeze them, and have them on the ready anytime I need them. 1 teaspoon granulated ginger. 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper. If you don't like heat, pass on that part of the recipe. Next, we're going to come with soy sauce, about 1/4 cup, maybe a little more. Cooking sherry white wine, or you can skip it. Same, about 1/4 cup. A little bit of rice wine vinegar, maybe 2 tablespoons. And some hoisin sauce, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Then we're going to come back with some chicken stock. About 1.5 cups we'll put in. Just make sure that we can get everybody coated and covered. So we'll give it a good mix. There we go. And then once we bring this to a nice rolling boil, we'll put the lid on and we're going to let that go for about 45 minutes or so. Alright, our pork is done, so we're going to remove it from the pot, put it onto a cookie sheet. I've got one of those silicone non-stick bottoms on this because we're going to wind up putting this under the broiler to crisp up a little bit. So once we get all the pork out, I got cheesecloth over my saucepan and I'm just going to ladle out all that juice that the pork was in, and we're going to strain it out real good, and we're going to use this to make a delicious sauce to go over our pork. So once we get that sauce out of the pot and strained through the cheesecloth, we got perfect clean juice or sauce just like that. We're going to bring the heat up, get it to a nice boil like that, add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and we'll let that reduce down and thicken. Now it's time to take our pork. We're going to throw it under the broiler and get it nice and crispy. We'll turn it, put it back under the broiler for the other side, and then it'll be time to serve over some rice. And you have delicious Asian style crispy pork belly over rice with an amazing sauce that is to die for. Thanks for watching. Remember, every Sunday and Wednesday I put out a new video. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes, and we'll see you soon.